Okay, I've used a lot of AI video tools. Higgsfield is already one of the best out there, but they just did something I did not expect. They put the whole thing inside After Effects and it talks to Claude directly. If you're a motion designer, this is the part you need to see. Quick context if you're new to it, Higgsfield is an AI creative engine. You describe a shot, a scene, a style, and it generates real video. People use it for ads, music videos, UGC, game trailers, all of it. It's fast, it's genuinely good, and it's built for creators who ship. That part's not new. This is the new part. Higgsfield now installs as a plugin right inside After Effects. Generate, edit, reframe, upscale without ever leaving your project. And it connects to Higgsfield MCP, which means Claude can drive it for you. So instead of bouncing to a browser, downloading files and dragging them in, you just describe what you want and it shows up on your timeline. Let me show you what it can actually make. Everything you are about to see was generated through this workflow. A prompt going in, a real result coming out, dropped straight onto an After Effects timeline. I pulled 14 of them. Watch how different these are. Same tool, every single time. Demo 1. An audio reactive music visualizer, the waveform driving the whole scene. 2. A character with a full wardrobe swap, styled on command. 3. An animated title card and loader, the kind you'd spend an hour keyframing. 4. Kinetic type and motion built around a beat. And 5. A hand-painted ink wash scene moving 5 completely different looks. And we're just getting started. Six, a cosmic storybook scene, stars and all 7. A photoreal 3D product render. 8, a papercraft world that literally unfolds. 9, a neon anime poster with that high contrast look everyone wants right now. And 10, full game key art with a title and chapter screen. Think about how long any one of these would take you by hand. Each one here started as a sentence. Eleven, an abstract gradient bloom, perfect for a background plate. 12, a clean data dashboard with live stat cards. 13, an animated line chart that actually draws on. And 14, a travel motion graphic, flight path and all. 14 for 14 ads, characters, data viz, game art, one engine, and it lives in your timeline. And this is the actual plugin running in my After Effects right now. That green MCP badge means Claude is connected. Down here, last generations, every clip you make sets one click from your comp. Reframe, remove background, upscale, draw to edit. The tools are right in the panel, no tab hopping, no download folder. This is the thing that changes the workflow. Here's Claude actually driving it through MCP. I describe a chrome liquid logo shot. It fires the job to Higgsfield's engine. This is the VO3 Lite model, and a few seconds later, a real clip comes back. This chrome shot here is exactly what it produced. I didn't touch a browser once. And it all lands in a real After Effects project, editable, layers and all. I composite the generated clips into a finished reel. One honesty note, because it matters here. Any build script you see running is my own automation, not a Higgsfield feature. Higgsfield's job was the generation. This is the result they helped make. So the killer feature is dead simple. You never leave After Effects generation. Your last outputs, editing, all in one panel. Letting Claude drive it through MCP means plain English instead of clicking around. The range is real. You saw 14 wildly different results and the assets landing straight on the timeline. Kills the most annoying 5 minutes of every project. Now the honest part, on the free plan, the best models are gated. You'll hit permission errors until you upgrade. Free plan runs one generation at a time. So batch jobs queue, a couple of failure modes are quiet, a job just doesn't come back instead of erroring loudly, so watch it. And it's credit metered. Not every result is a keeper. None of that's a deal breaker for me, but you should know it going in. Who's this for? If you live in After Effects and you're always pulling in generated footage, this saves you real time every project. If you like describing what you want and letting an agent handle the busy work, the MCP site clicks immediately. If you never touch AE, this specific plugin isn't for you, but keep an eye on where Higgsfield's going. This one's a paid partnership with Higgsfield, but everything I showed you is real. The 14 demos, the plugin, the limits, all of it. If you want to try it inside your own After Effects, the link's at the top of the description. Tell me what you generate with it. I'm Prompt Engineer. See you in the next one.